Hello, dear students. Myself, Professor Mishramkar Sunitra from JIT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Department of English. The topic of my presentation is interview skills. In today's rapidly changing employment world, interview skills are very important. No doubt, the qualifications you have speak out for themselves, but sometimes they are not enough to make you stand out from a pool of equally talented candidates. So, to get noticed or to stand out from others, you need to develop interview skills. Let's focus on the etymology of this word or the origin of this word. This word is taken or it is originated from French word interview. It means side between. The definition of interview tells that it is a conversation with purpose. It aims at getting truthful response from the candidate. Another definition says that an interview is a formal face to face meeting between people in which one person supplies information to another or others. So, in short, interview is a kind of communication. There are three types of interviews: problem solving interviews, persuasive interviews, and informative interviews. Job interviews, sales interviews, or surveys, etc., fall under the category of informative interviews. In interview, body language plays an important role. Now, certain body language tips are important. How to face an interview. First, walk slowly on entering the interview hall. Relax with every breath. Be alert. Keep your head up and look straight. Sit up and lean forward to show interest. Avoid leaning back. Be aware of your posture. Do not bend forward too much. Maintain eye contact but do not stare. Through facial expression, we give the impression that we have come to discuss things about ourselves and not to be grilled by the interviewers. Therefore, keep a smile on your face. Don't be too serious. Look calm and confident and do not be tense and confused. Be energetic and enthusiastic but not dull. Now, how to prepare for an interview? First stage, prepare your resume, reread your resume, prepare questions to ask and to be asked, rehearse the interview, anticipate the obvious questions during the interview, write out strategy for dealing with stress, read vacancy details, employers literature, that means information about the employer, that is what they are and what they want, and know where the interview will take place. Now, in second stage, arrive in good time, make a good entrance. Just I told you about how to enter a room and what should be your body language. So here, after entering the room, you had to greet the interviewers. So there should be proper handshake. Your posture should be proper. Maintain eye contact and always keep smile on your face. In the third stage, always remember to be honest. Be prepared to talk, but not too much. Don't be afraid to ask for clarifications. Illustrate your answer with examples. Be ready to sell yourself and be interesting. Now you can prepare some questions. Tell us about yourself. This is a very common questions which can be asked. Then, why did you choose your degree or what you have gained from it? Or another questions you will be asked, what has been your most important achievement in life so far? Why? What are your strengths and weaknesses? So there should be SWOT analysis. Why have you applied for this job? What do you have to offer us? What experience do you have of working in a team? And what role did you play in that team? Describe a project you have successfully completed. Describe a situation you have found difficult and how did you overcome it? What questions would you like to ask us? So, dear students, these are certain common questions which can be asked during interview. So, just as I said, make your resume, make it as closely as possible, means be honest, express your individuality, be prepared to document the facts stated in the summary. Then, before facing that interview, first analyze that position, proposed position. Is there a point of contact between your desire, capabilities, and requirements laid down in this position? What do you personally want from this work? Professional, career growth, or business travel, or flexible hour, or financial benefits? Means, what do you focus? It means first you know yourself, who you are, and what you are looking for. Try to find out more information about the company's alleged employer. Be interested in the latest developments in the field of potential companies. Prepare yourself for what you will be asked specific questions related to the facts of your biography. Put yourself in the place of a person conducting the interview. So, rehearse some mock interviews before facing that actual interview. Your answers should show how much you believe in yourself. Practice an interview. It means, just as I said, rehearse your interview. Talk with friends. Practice before a mirror. And practice with family. Finally, go through an interview with a person with expertise in the area of recruitment. Prepare all necessary documents to prove your knowledge and skills. You may be asked to leave copies of these documents. So, always be ready for such situations. Now, grooming is another important part in facing an interview. Dress appropriately for an interview, taking as a reference a standard adopted by the company. Be punctual. Demonstrate your business mindset. Handshake should be firm. Then your posture should be proper. It should be impressive and look straight. Means maintain eye contact. When answering questions, be honest. Do not overestimate and at the same time do not underestimate yourself. Your answer should not be in one word yes or no, but use the detailed proposals. Use as many examples from your professional life. In your answer, make the accent on the positive side rather than negative. So focus your positive side. Be a good conversationalist and a listener. So, in facing an interview, you must be a competent speaker as well as a good listener also. If you feel that situation gets out of control, do not be nervous and take yourself in hand. So, it may be that you are just checked. Then watch for signs that indicate that interview is nearing completion. So, finish talk briefly. In parting means and leaving that while leaving that room, that means when your interview is over, express your desire to work in the company and give thanks for their attention. Thank you.